On this quick quarantine budget meal, I'm going to show you how to make this kale breakfast bowl. Alright, welcome back to my channel. I got a nice, healthy, and delicious breakfast recipe just for you. Alright, so we got the sweet potatoes, we cut them up. And we drizzle it with a little oil. I use olive oil. Use whatever you have. Paprika and salt is optional. You're gonna go ahead and mix those together with your hand, and then set it on a baking sheet with parchment paper lined. Then you want to bake it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Now you got the cherry tomatoes. This is delicious. This is absolutely delicious. Especially when you roast it, it really brings out the flavor. So I typically add some parsley and some salt. That's optional as well. And then, as you can see, I use my air fryer, but you can use your regular oven too, to roast these vegetables. And then look at that. That's the end result. Now we got the dry beans. You can use canned beans if you like. You get more bang for your buck if you use the dry beans. But the dry beans is just a little more work. The canned beans save you a lot of time. So it's just like, you pick your poison, Is it time or flavor? What do you want? I'll leave that up to you to choose from. But then you see, I got these mushrooms here. Slice them up real nice and thin. And then I got my yellow bell pepper. Slice that up as well. And we're going to go ahead and add these to the pot, and we're going to saute them. Now I'll saute these for about 3 to 5 minutes until it looks like that. Then I went on to lightly saute the kale. After that, I removed it from the heat, and I went on to my eggs. Now I like my eggs over easy with most things, and here it is. I'm building up the plate. And I like the contrast of all the colors. I try to choose different colors of the vegetables and the things that I was using in this recipe so that they can stand out more. And I like that. So, if you want to be fancy, add an avocado. And I got that avocado manager special. How lucky was I? So there you have it, the kale breakfast bowl. Thank you for joining me. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.